Okay, so looking at DGP Monday of week 3. Okay, did you guys see any nouns in here? No? Claire, why don't you give me a noun before you confuse yourself anymore? One noun. Book. She's going with book. She likes book as a noun. I would agree with her that book is a noun. And those of you on the Google Meet, you can also give responses as well. Any other nouns? Robbie? One noun. Paper. Ayla? Pencil. Any other nouns? Addie? You got it. Student is a noun. We have one more amateur noun. Josie? Class. Good job. So class is also one of our amateur nouns. Front. Focus. Robbie, get it under control. Okay. I'm glad to be back too, but don't act like wild animals, even if you're making the noises of one. So we got all the amateur nouns. Anyone find a pronoun? Haha, I love that joke. I'll make it every week. Amateur nouns. Why am I explaining this again to you? There is one pronoun. Addie knows it, but she's not confident in it yet. Leah, Mallory, Maggie, any of you know the pronoun? Dead silence. Absolute silence on the scent. Josie? It is not each. However, what's that? It is there. It is there. What type of there is it? Or what type of pronoun is it? I'm sorry. Do we know what type of pronoun it is? Huh? It is not first person because it's there, them, over there. Robbie? It is third, but what type of pronoun? Claire? Carly. It is a third person possessive pronoun. It is a third person possessive pronoun. Okay? That's a whole lot going on in just one small little word, right? There is just 4 letters, but it tells you it's third person. It's them over there. They own it. 5 letters. Sorry. 5 letters. And it's them over there and they own it. Okay. So that's all of our nouns. Now we're on to adjectives. You think we have another noun still? No. Oh. Let's stay related to DGP. Right. Yeah, it gives you some guidance, but there's a lot of options inside of it. So, adjectives. Any adjectives? We got one adjective confused with a pronoun earlier. Josie? Each. Each is an adjective. You are Josie. Each is an adjective. Okay. There are no more adjectives. There is a conjunction though. Carly's got a hand up. What do you got, Carly? Huh? And. What type of conjunction is it? Coordinating conjunction. It's a fanboy. Okay. I'm sorry? Okay, this is always a confusing part, especially at the beginning of the year. A, an, and the are articles. And is a conjunction. We got to make sure we see that closely. Okay, so we have 3 words left. Any guesses on what 2 is? Andrew? No. It is a preposition. Good job, Andrew. It is a preposition. So we have 2 words left. 2 words left. Jace, you got one of them for me? Has and brought. What do you think they are? They are verbs. Good job. They've got the verb box above it. So, what type of verbs is one of them? Which one's an action verb? Brought is an action verb. Do you know the tense of brought? It would be normally, except for the fact that it says has brought. So it becomes a present, but not fully present. Present perfect. Present perfect. So it's this one that's press per. Yep, press per. We have 1 word left. Any guesses of what it might be? Remember, we have 2 verbs in a row. It is has. What might it be? Ayla? It is a helping verb. When you have 2 verbs back to back, one of them has to be a helping verb. Okay, one of them has to be a helping verb. It is